Does your home need a refresh? Are you looking to spice things up for spring? Well, why not come down to Rin's Furniture? I'm here with Nate. Lots going on in the store right now. You've got a lot of good deals. Tell me about what's going on.
So we got our spring cleaning sale. So anything with our nice, bright, vibrant, colorful tags, those are going to be marked down, save the customer hundreds of dollars on any of the floor models.
All right.
We also have a no tax sale going on right now. So if you want to customize it, you pick your color, pick your fabric, pick your pillows. I can make the sofas softer, make them firmer for you.
Wow.
And it's no tax on all those as well.
See, now I've heard about being able to pick your fabric, like your upholstery, but to actually make it firmer or softer, because that's a big deal.
Oh,
a lot of people probably, if they can pick that, they will.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, the firm is very popular. People like the firmness, easier to get in and out of the sofa.
Yeah, I mean, I like those couches that you just kind of sink into sometimes, but they're not really appropriate for everyday use.
Yeah, exactly, right? Maybe for a sectional, then you can kind of curl up, get comfy.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, so I'm starting to see these bright tags here. So this is what you're talking about, right?
Exactly. Yeah, the further we get back, the better the deals keep getting. So.
Wow, I mean, it's so deceiving. You pull up to the front of the store and it really doesn't look that large, but this is a massive space.
Yeah, it just keeps on going back. It is very big. We have lots of stock right now.
Okay, and these are the kind of the fabrics and what you were kind of mentioning?
Yeah, so with Super Style and Trend Line, if you can select any one of those fabrics, and then once again, it'd be no tax for you.
I love how the sample are like a larger size. I hate it when I'm flipping through like a fabric book and they're just like these tiny little like Instagram photo size, and you're like, what is this? How am I going to picture this?
Exactly.
But this, you can actually you can take it home, I'm assuming.
Oh yeah, you can sign them out, take them home.
Yeah, and you can try it with all your other furniture and kind of see how everything would match.
Yeah, match your walls, match your floor, match your other furniture, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I guess it's mostly for paint, and you can tell it's been a long time since I've gone furniture shopping. And you do custom stuff as well, don't you?
Yeah, that's what we mainly do, is like Canadian custom furniture. So yeah, pick your fabric, pick the density of the foam, and pick your pillows.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay, we've got lots more coming up. We're going to get deeper and deeper into the store, so stay with us. Much more coming up on Morning Live. Have you seen the movie Yes Day? Well, we're in Stylists, and they're a yes company, and Nate's going to tell us all about it right now. So how are they a yes company? What does that mean?
So basically, if you want to switch the welting, the cushions, the attached, yes, the answer is always yes.
Wow, okay.
So yeah, so if you just want stitching instead of welting, yes, you can do that. If you want this attached so it's not falling all over the place, yes, they'll do that for you.
What if I want one cushion that's purple, one cushion that's gray, and one cushion that's neon green?
Yeah, they might question it, but yes, they'll do that for you. Yep.
Okay, so similar to the furniture that we were just looking at, but this one has a little bit longer of a warranty?
Yeah, so basically because they use a real wood frame, it's a little bit thicker than their competitors, and they have a higher density foam, so a high performing foam. So with that, they can offer you a 25-year warranty, whereas all the other companies are about 1 year or 2 years.
Okay, so that is a really big difference. If people want to invest big time into their furniture, it could literally last them a lifetime.
Exactly. Yeah, that will be the last sofa that you buy, hopefully.
Wow. Okay. Take me through a little bit of the style. Like, are there new style trends that people are kind of getting into these days?
Well, it was blue and gray, so a lot of people's houses are blue and gray. So still can go with that, but those colors are starting to leave now. You're getting back into the taupes and the pastels and the beiges.
Interesting. Oh, my couch is beige. Yes.
Yeah.
So I've gone through. It was in, and then it went out, and now it's back in again. So I'm winning. Win-win.
You're in style again.
Yes. That always happens, right? Okay. So the Stylist furniture, totally custom made. Oh my gosh! And again, you get to pick your fabric.
Pick your fabric, and then they have 6 different options of seating, so you get to pick that as well.
What are the 6 different options? Do you know them all?
Yep. So they have feather seating, which will be the very super soft, you know, fall in, relax into.
Yeah.
Or you can do the high performance. So they do soft, medium, and firm for the high performing. And then they just have the regular, standard, and firm.
And I guess, like, would that matter, like, if you were getting furniture for your house or for, say, your business, right? Like, you might want something that's a little bit firmer, a little bit more durable if you're looking for office furniture.
Exactly, yeah. So, something that's easy to get in and out of.
Yeah.
It's going to hold its shape better. That's what the high performance one does.
Wow, that's pretty cool. See, these little tiny tidbits, I didn't even know. Yeah. Now, I'm also noticing some signs saying available in leather. So it's not just fabric, like you can do all of it in custom leather if you want to.
Yep, yeah, the Stylists, they have a couple. They don't have a lot of leathers, but we have other companies that provide hundreds of leathers. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. All right. Well, coming up, we're going to continue our tour of the store here at Rins Furniture. Don't go anywhere. Well, the seasons are changing, and it might be time to change out some of your furniture in your home, and you might as well come check out Rins Furniture because they've got an amazing spring cleaning sale going on. Nate worked very hard yesterday to make all of these new sales tags. Tell me a little bit about the sale.
So yeah, a lot of the Canadian-made floor models that we have, we're just marking them down. We're trying to clean out the floor so I can bring in a lot of new stock for the new year.
That's amazing. Okay, Canadian-made. That's great. I mean, customers must love that aspect.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, because then they know it's coming right from Canada. It's very well made. It's going to last them a long time, and it's not cheap, right? It's going to last them.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so the sale tags. I mean, I love how you've got, take me home today, please, let me be your new couch.
Yep, exactly.
Talk to me a little bit about the discounts that people are getting.
Yeah, so save hundreds on whether you're looking for sofas, love seats, chairs, recliners, headboards, dining. I have them all on sale right now.
What are people looking for most right now?
Most, I think sectionals are probably the best selling right now.
Yeah.
People love the sectionals. Yep. Curl up in. What's nice about them too is I have a lot in stock, so you can sell them right off the floor, or you can customize it, get it to fit the dimension that you would need.
That's amazing. What about sofa beds or futons? Are they still like something people are buying?
Yeah, we have a couple sofa beds. It's not very popular anymore.
No.
Yeah.
Most people have enough room for a spare bedroom, I guess.
Exactly.
In
People would
their
rather
homes.
just sleep on their comfy sectional.
Yeah. I don't have a spare bedroom, but you can sleep on my couch. I love that.
Exactly.
And everything's custom made. So again, you can choose your fabric. You can choose the firmness of your seat.
Yep. And your pillows as well, because each sofa comes with 2 pillows.
Oh, that's so cool. So you can customize and decorate a little bit while you're in the store. What about light fixtures and tables, coffee tables, all that kind of stuff?
Yeah, so a lot of the end tables, the coffee tables, those are custom too. You get to pick the stain. All the accessories, we get them new about every quarter. And then, so once we sell something off, something new's coming on the floor.
Yeah, because I always find that when you go into furniture stores, especially this one, is that you're looking at the furniture and you're thinking, oh, that art looks so good above that. I'm going to have to get the matching art.
Exactly. Yeah, get the sofa and the picture, right?
Yeah, like people probably do that a lot.
Yeah, they like just how it looks, so they just want that whole entire
you're
set.
like, I'd like this entire living room. I'll take this couch, plus the lamps, plus the art, plus the tables.
Exactly. Yep. If it all looks good, then why not, right?
And I mean, if the price is right and they can't be beat, how long is the sale on for?
Till Easter. So
Till Easter. Okay, so people still have a little while to get into
so
here.
till April 6th, so about 2 weeks.
Okay, amazing. So now is the time. Spring has sprung. The weather is starting to improve. If you're looking at your couch and you're thinking, we need to get rid of this sad looking thing, we want a new one, come into Rins Furniture for all the best deals right now. The smell of Italian leather. It's amazing. They've got it here at Rins Furniture. Made in Canada, but the leather is gorgeous Italian leather. And Nate, again, totally custom.
Totally custom. Yep. You get to pick your color leather. You get to pick the density of the foam. And what's cool with Leathercraft is, let's say that sofa is about 4 or 5 inches too long, they'll make it a little bit shorter for you.
Really? So you just have to come in with your measurements?
Exactly. Yeah, come in with the measurements and they'll make that sofa to that size for you.
That's the best thing about customizing your furniture. You're not coming home, being in a store, looking at the couch, being like, oh yeah, I think it'll fit. And then the delivery truck comes and of course it's way too big or way too small and it looks ridiculous. So I guess the best way to customize is that you do the measurements, you come in, you know exactly what you want. And I know you don't do a lot of stuff online because it's difficult to see, right?
Yeah, it's difficult to see all the different leathers in person, and it might look different in lighting than it would online, right? So it's a little bit tough to kind of distinguish between colors.
That's true.
Yep.
The lighter fabrics.
Yep.
Also leather. I mean, but there's different texture to the leather. Like some is rougher, some is softer.
So it depends on the hide, right? So it's just like a human skin. Some's going to be a little bit rougher, some's going to be a little bit softer.
Can you customize that?
I cannot, unfortunately. Yeah.
I love that. And again, the color, you can do it, and accessories and everything come with it.
Yeah, so yeah, if you're looking for Leathercraft, that's who I recommend if you're looking for leather. They specialize in leather. It's all done by hand. It's right out of Toronto. They do a fantastic job. And with the leather, it's a 5-year warranty on the leather, lifetime on the actual frame of the sofa.
Oh, that's amazing. Okay, so if I'm coming in as a brand new customer, how do I start the process?
Well, yeah, first I'd ask you if you're looking for a sofa, dinings, whatever. So you say sofa, and you come in, okay, so what size are you looking for? And then if you want sectional, if you want something that's big and comfy, or if you want something that's more
For a formal living room?
Exactly,
Yeah.
more just straight lines, nice and pristine looking, right? So then we'd start with that, and then we'd figure out the colors from there.
All right. Okay, so the process is super simple. All you need to do is come in, maybe your living room needs a refresh, maybe your bedroom needs a refresh, your dining room, because they've got all of that here at Rins Furniture. It's simple, and they've got a spring cleaning sale on right now until April 6th. So come on in, check it out.